And welcome to the TV room. Let's look at the screen on the 40th pet when I turn it on. Ooh. This is, yes, I do believe it's RAM things. Notice there are now two cursors flashing, and other things have gone away. Anyway, I do have to go look for more RAM chips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the screen, because it will, except of course it doesn't really. I'm going to put in a quick program to print. And you see there's other things, there's another cursor over there. And I'm just going to do this, semicolon, colon. See, there's other things happening. So the program is coming in okay, but down below it certainly isn't. And then I'm going to type in run. And I'm going to leave that working away and see if anything changes. So at this moment, I'm just taking the microphones off. And I'm going to turn one off. And then I'm going to turn the other one off. So there should be no sound here. But we'll just see if anything changes. Actually, you know what? Just before I do that, let me see. Oh yeah, things are happening. I'm going to change this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, because we're in Canada. And we're going to go semicolon, colon, go to 10. And then I will type in run. And that is something. And if I press the off reverse key, you'll see it's something. Anyway, I'm going to search. I'm going to turn off this microphone. I'm going to go search for other 2114 RAM chips. I'm going to let this keep recording. And we'll see you again soon in the various rooms, the box room, the TV room, the pet room. But no, not the bathroom. Bye for now. Enjoy.